Actually, people are saying the one video that is fake. I'll put it in the link of description. It's like my tips and tricks video that I try to do. People are saying it's fake. I don't know what the woman. I don't know what a woman sounds like in Minecraft streaming, but I'm gonna use KineMaster. So basically, you could see the audio soundtrack, because it will definitely show it. It'll prove if the video is edited or not, because it will literally show it if at the bottom if it was edited. It'll show gas sound at the bottom of the video, guys. It'll say gas sounds, right? Or goats falling, whatever, right? So basically, I am going to click on the create new. It's just to show my proof that it's not edited, guys. So basically, guys, I have AZ records. So guys, I want to do that. So basically, I think this is it. Alright, delete that. Did you delete that one video?
No.
Which one? What? My thing. Well, guys, I cannot find that video, but yeah. Why won't it show up? Video systems. Could I like get it from YouTube or something? And anyways, if I were to edit my own video, guys, it would show KineMaster. If you're not familiar with KineMaster, it's my editing software, but it would show KineMaster because there's my one video right there. And look, people are not believing me. It'll show KineMaster. See, guys, it'll show my little KineMaster icon, but what's uploaded to YouTube. So that's how you know it is not edited. Well, fake. And people are saying it is fake. How? And look, no KineMaster. So yeah, this is actually declared true. It could have been a glitch through the software system. Because I was also doing researches on it. I'm gonna put a big check for declare true, because I was doing some researches about it. Somebody on my forum, someone on my forum said to check out. There's a video that he told me to check out. I'll say this. 1 second, let me try finding it. People say maybe Scream and Go. I did researches about it, right? And I clicked on this tab. Oh, gas screaming. That's what's fake. Okay, guys, I literally watched all the gas screaming sounds. Excuse me, all of it. It did not go through. The goat sound did not go through. Right? And he wants to say, that person wants to say, I got a fake downloading editing software, which my only editing software is Lily AZ Records. How? And if I were to download any other free editing softwares without any of that, without being fake, it would actually tell me, would you like to display apps? Basically, for example, I tried doing a live stream. Alright, guys, I tried doing a live stream. Look, please draw over other apps. So, right? That's how I could access my audio recording, my live stream. But look, display over other apps. Features not available. This feature I've maybe turned off. It may do that. So yeah, guys, how's it fake? I have no clue. And that's the end of the video. Bye.